Subscribe, like and share with your friends for more videos. GVV Show.
Hi viewers, welcome to my favorite channel GVV Show, Basic English Grammar. Today I am going to discuss questionnaire letters and words. So what are the questionnaire letters in English? So starting with the WH, next I, next A, next H. These are the questionnaire letters in an English language. So starting with WH, there are so many letters with W. So that's why English grammar, so many people are saying W is the questionnaire letter in English language. So WH starting with WH. WH, where, what, when, who, whom, whose, which, where, what, when, who, whom, whose, which, where. So just now I say WH, where, who, whom, where, whose, which, where, why. So these questionnaire letters, whenever you know what are the questions you are going to ask, your intention what you are asking. So starting with WH, where means the place which he know. So his intention is the place which the person or persons are going. So that is where. In the circumstances we are using where. Where are you going now? Where is your village? Where is your book? Where is your pen? Where is your father? All these questions starting with the where. In the regarding, you must know place, that is called where. Place and names. Place and things. Regarding place and things you are knowing, you must use where. Where is your village? Where is your book? Where is your pen? Where is your father? Where is your mother? Where is your brother? Where is your sister? All these questions regarding place, you know, place and things, you must use where. The second one is what. So what here? So you know some particular new things. In this regarding, you ask what. You use what word. What is? So here what means? Names and what here you know. So regarding names and quantity. Quantity. You must know quantity. Regarding quantity names, you use what? So examples. What is your name? So what is his intention is? So you know names. So some new things. That is, you ask what. You use he is. He is already. Whenever he know something about from others, we use what. So then when. That is, when means it's a time. When means time. Time, you must know time. We use when. When did you come? Whenever you going. Whenever you come. These are time he must know. He must be used when, WH. Then Who? Who means he want particular name. He want particular person name. That's why we use who. Who is your father? So particular name. So particular name. So we must use who. Who is your father? Who is your brother? Who is your headmaster? Who is your principal? Who is your head of the institution? All these questions, whenever we are using like these questions, we must use who. Next, whom. That means who means the person which you know. So the particular person. So you must use whom. So like example, whom did you I met? Whom did you I give? Whom did you I will meet? So these are all questions. So here we simply say the particular person. Who means the particular person. Who is your father? Whom did you to meet? Whom did I meet? Whom did I meet to in place? That's why we are using whom. Then whose. Whose means particularly knowing about other person's some information. So example I am saying, whose pen is this? Whose book is this? So these are the particular names. So we know other person's some particular things. That is called whose. So other person's information. Other person's information we know, we must use whose. So then which. That is which means either particular thing. Which is your place. Which is your village. Which is your table. Which is your book. So these particular knowing about person's own. Person's own. Simply we say person's own. So other person's only things we must, whenever we know that we must use which. Then where. Where means place, particular place. Where did you go? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? These particular places we are saying which is going to reach that place. That is called where. Where means particularly place. So just now I say, where are you going? Where is your book? Where is your pen? Where is your bag? All these questions relating where. That means simply where means showing place. So why means, here why means reason. Why means reason. So when we want some reason, we must use why. Why are you going? Why are you come late? Why are you going there? Why are you going to village? Why are you so late? So we are knowing reason. In this regarding we use why, particularly why. So we discussed why. So in English grammar, so most of the questionnaire letters and words are starting with WH. Just now I discussed all. There are 8 or 9 questionnaire letters in which starting with WH. So where, why. So next I. I means very few questions we are asking in why, with starting with why. Is. Is. Is this your pen? Is this your pen? So is this in pen? So you take then we are take one pen. We ask, so which persons relate this pen? So that's why we are asking, is this your pen? Is this your village? Is this your book? So these are starting with I. So next A. A means these A also so few questionnaire letters from starting with A. So I am telling. So are you okay? When we are in trouble, when we are facing in some suffering, some fever, or so whenever we reach that place, you ask, are you okay? Are you cured? So are you sure? So whenever you come, you say, I will come tomorrow. So we are asking, are you sure? Are you sure come? Are you sure coming? So all these starting with A questions. So W, H. So H starting questionnaire sweater. So the quantity and number of things we are things or quantity. So quantity, number of things or quantity. Knowing number of things and quantity, we must use the questionnaire letter starting with H. So I am telling examples. How many books? How many books are in your bag? How many books are in your bag? How many rupees are in your pocket? In your bag. So how many rupees in your purse? So these are questionnaires. So how? Starting with H. So today we are discussed about questionnaire letters in English language. So many questions starting with WH, I say just now. So there are 8 or 9 questionnaire word letters starting with W, and E is also in using in questionnaire letters, and A also we are using in questionnaire letters, and H also we are using in questionnaire letters. Friends, so if you like this my lessons and videos, you please subscribe and like it and share it for more videos. So one more thing I have to say, if you are seeing first time my videos, you please subscribe and better lesson in future. Thank you.